Good afternoon. My name is Karangi Anjana Dineshbhai and I am from Institute of Language Teaching B.Ed College Rajkot and year 2019-21 and my internship school name is Sri DHV Pitya High School Bamnasa Ghed. During my internship I conduct activities in the classroom, taught the administration to use the register and met with the staff, did co-curricular activities and the students had a problem memorizing the tenses and observed them and prepare an action research and as well as a psychological test. My school detail is school is established secondary is 1965 and higher secondary 1976. Name of principal is SV Karangia and this school is a boys girl mix and this school is a Gujarati medium school and unit of school is secondary and higher secondary school. I conduct activities like creative writing. In this activity time duration is 1 hours and description I can give a students something that they can think and write about. There are no specific rules to this activity. Students have to write something important that is simple and short at the same time. And benefits of this activity: if you encourage students to start writing in the classroom, they develop a creative and innovative ideas, also improve their reading and writing skills. And during the internship in standard 9 and 10 and I can work English and Sanskrit subject as done, and the details of there are follows. It's like a standard 9 I can take a lecture. English is 49 and Sanskrit lesson plan is a 20. Then standard 10 English lesson are 57 and Sanskrit lesson plan is 30. Then recognizing a people, who am I? These activities, there are time duration is 5 minutes and description is I can take a picture of some person, object or place that is known to all the students, split the class into two groups and ask one of the students from a group to see the picture and introduce it without using its name. Then I conduct a quiz. Time duration is only 1 minute and description I can divide the class into two groups and ask a question related to the subject to each group, and each question consists of four options from which they have to choose the right answer, and the group with the right answer will get the points. Then one activity is also concept drawing. Time duration is 1 hours and if I want to make sure my students are grasping the lesson and taught by me, then give this activity, ask them to draw the concept of the white paper and let them analyze the concept and draw. And once they submit their drawing, review it and give appreciate to their work. Then I taught a administrative register and how to use this register. So there are a first is a general register. It is a record of all the pupils who are admitted to a school and according to departmental rules. And the general register is to be preserved permanently in the school. And the second is a teacher register. Teacher register is a registration is granted and managed by a teacher regulatory authorities in each state and territories. It provides a person with a statutory license to perform to the duties of a school teacher as defined in the particular jurisdiction. And there then another is a stock register. This this register keep information of all the invaluable properties of the school, and while pursuing the equipment or furniture, it must be duly entered in this property register, and the head of institute they check this register physically at least once in a year. Then second then fourth is a logbook. Yes, the form of the logbook is a there is a thoroughly analysis of perspectives, roles, and context of a subject experience. Overall, it is a conclude that logbooks are a good way to capture the personal experience of a but teacher, and then is a attendance register. This is an important register which is maintained in each class and section, showing the names of the pupils on this register, and all the class or a section during a month they are pupils they are attend a lecture. Why? Yes, yeah, no. Then co-curricular activities. I can also taking a I also meet with a staff and take this co-curricular activities. The first is a elocution competition. In this competition, my contribution is a help in the correcting the lines for students. Then we are also celebrate a sports day. In this day, my contribution is a co-judge of a cycling competition. Then we also celebrated Republic Day, painting competition. And this painting competition, my contribution is a took a student and managed them in the classroom. Then we also celebrated a Vasant Panchami, and my contribution is I gave a speech on Vasant Panchami. And in this Corona days, we are also celebrated Holi but virtual. Then my action research. My problem is students get a difficulty in memorizing the 12 tenses. They can't memorize 12 tenses. Then I can conduct a one action research, and there I can some of the making some information, and I can take this action research, and all are and then after I can think if a teacher gives their student to a proper time, proper practice, and emphasize on need of a content, knowledge, and skill, the student will make less mistake in a problem solving in a practical content. Then also I can take a psychological test. My topic name is Interest Inventory, and author is the Department of Education, Government of Gujarat. Class 10th, and number of student is 28, and guidance by Nehal ma'am. And I am also marking the scheme of the test. This is the test is measured by the interest of a students in a different 5 field of education on the base of responses of the students as per the marking scheme given. Then you can also see in this box. Then from this I can find the individual analysis of interest of the students, class 9th, Sri DHV PTI High School, Bamrasa, and I can also say what is the choice of student as per the subject, and which is also give in next slide. There are the most interesting field of students and number of students. There are medical is 1, engineering 3, commerce 17, arts 12, and fine arts 2. And from this we can take the ideas that if the teacher gives the right advice to his students at the right time, he emphasizes the need for knowledge and skill when the students are not paying enough attention in teaching. Such students need a personal attention, and parents of such students should be called, and counseling should also be given to these students. And I tried to solve the problem and gave them the necessary instruction, that I explained the basic concept to the first, and finally I am satisfied with my work.